ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വരാൻ പോകുന്ന എല്ലാ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എക്സാംസിനും ആവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് സീരീസ് ആയിരുന്നു നമ്മൾ കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. അതിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ടോപ്പിക്ക് കോൺക്രീറ്റ് ടെക്നോളജിയാണ്. ഏറെക്കുറെ റിപ്പീറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാവുന്ന നല്ല വെയിറ്റേജ് ഉള്ള സബ്ജക്റ്റാണ് കോൺക്രീറ്റ് ടെക്നോളജി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ അതിനെ റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഞാൻ ഈ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിനകത്ത് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് നിങ്ങൾ ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടുതൽ ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. സോ ഇന്നത്തെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. First question, cement become unsound by the presence of excess of options sulfur, magnesia, lime, all the above. Answer option D, all the above. Cement become unsound by the presence of excess of sulfur, magnesia, lime. So answer is all the above. The workability of concrete is influenced most by its options aggregate cement ratio, water cement ratio, cement content, water content. Answer option B, water cement ratio. Workability of concrete is influenced most by its water cement ratio. Workability of concrete for a given water content is good aggregate are options irregular aggregate, rounded aggregate, angular aggregate, flaky aggregate. Answer option B, a rounded aggregate. Workability of concrete for a given water content is good aggregate are. Answer option B, rounded aggregate. The compaction of concrete improves. Options density, strength, durability, all the above. Answer option D, all the above. Compaction of concrete improves density, strength, durability. So answer is all the above. Workability of concrete mix with low water content ratio is determined by options compaction factor test, tensile strength test, slump test, flexural strength test. Answer option A, compaction factor test. Workability of concrete mix with low water cement ratio is determined by compaction factor test. The showing up of white fluffy layer on a surface concrete is termed as options compressive stress, efflorescence, segregation, workability. Answer option B, efflorescence. The showing up of white fluffy layers on the surface concrete is termed as answer efflorescence. For proper workability of concrete, the water cement ratio varies. Options 0.1 to 0.2, 0.4 to 0.6, 0.6 to 0.8, 0.2 to 0.4. Answer option B, 0.4 to 0.6. For proper workability of concrete, the water cement ratio is varies 0.4 to 0.6. Separation of coarse aggregate from mortar transportation is known as options creeping, segregation, shrinkage, bleeding. Answer option B, segregation. The separation of coarse aggregate from mortar transportation is known as answer segregation. Water-cement ratio is options weight of concrete to that water, volume of water to that of cement, weight of water to that of cement. None of those. Answer option C, weight of water to that of cement. So water-cement ratio is weight of water to that of cement. Higher workability of a concrete is required if a structure options mud with cement, thick and reinforced, thick and heavily reinforced, thin and heavily reinforced. Answer option C, thick and heavily reinforced. Higher workability of a concrete is required if the structure is thick and heavily reinforced. Lightweight concrete is prepared by options using light aggregate, formation of air voids in the cement by reducing sand, formation of air voids in cement paste by substance, all the above. Answer option D, all the above. Lightweight concrete is prepared by using lightweight aggregate, formation of air void in cement by reducing sand, formation of air voids in cement paste by substance. So answer is all the above. Concrete gains strength due to options hydration of cement, chemical action of cement with the coarse aggregate, evaporation of water, all the above. Answer option A, hydration of cement. Concrete gain strength due to hydration of cement. Two wet concrete may cause segregation, lower density, weakness of concrete, all of above. Answer option D, all the above. Two wet concrete may cause segregation, lower density, weakness of concrete. So answer is all of above. Poisson's ratio of cement concrete is options 0.28, 0.5, 0.4, 0.15. Answer option D, 0.15. Poisson's ratio of cement concrete is answer 0.15. The concrete cubes are prepared, cured and tested according to Indian standard codes and options IS 515, IS 518, IS 517, IS 516. Answer option D, IS 516. The concrete cubes are prepared, cured and tested according to Indian Standard Code IS 516. The permanent deformation concrete with time under steady load is called options viscoelasticity, viscosity, relaxation, creep. Answer option D, creep. The permanent deformation concrete with time under steady load is called creep. To prevent sulfate attack in concrete, for preparing concrete mix, water pH must be within options 7 to 10, 5 to 7, 6 to 9, 9 to 10. Answer option C, 6 to 9. To prevent sulfate attack in concrete, for preparing concrete mix, water pH must be within 6 to 9. Workability of concrete is directly proportional to options aggregate cement ratio, water cement ratio, grading of concrete, time of transit. Answer option C, grading of concrete. Workability of concrete is directly proportional to grading of concrete. The initial setting time of fresh concrete should be options lower than 50 minutes, greater than 30 minutes, greater than 1 hour, not more than 10 hours. Answer option C, greater than 1 hour. The initial setting time of fresh concrete should be greater than 1 hour. The operation of removing humps to form uniform surface concrete is known as options traveling, floating, screeding, finishing. Answer option C, screeding. The operation of removing humps to form uniform surface concrete is known as screeding. Shrinkage in concrete is reduced by using options low water cement ratio, less cement in the concrete, proper concrete mix, all of above. Answer option D, all of above. Shrinkage in concrete is reduced by using low water cement ratio, less cement in concrete, proper concrete mix. So answer is all of above. Ordinary concrete is not used for concrete grades. Options M10, M15, M40, M25. Answer option C, M40. The concrete having slump of 65 mm is said to be options earth moist, dry, plastic, semi-plastic. Answer option C, plastic. Concrete having slump of 65 mm is said to be plastic. For constant water cement ratio, decreases aggregate cement ratio causes. Options no change in workability, decreases in workability, increases workability, none of those. Answer option C, increases the workability. For constant water cement ratio, decreases the aggregate cement ratio will causes increases its workability. Concrete attains major part of its strength in options 3 week, 2 week, 1 week, 4 week. Answer Option C, 1 week. Concrete attains major part of its strength in. Answer, 1 week. What is the maximum height through which concrete can be poured? Options: 0.5 meter, 0.1 to 0.6 meter, 0.8 to 1 meter, 2 meter. Answer: option C, 0.8 to 1 meter. What is the ratio approximate of 7 days and 28 days strength of cement concrete? Options: 1.15, 0.45, 0.65, 0.95. Answer: option C, 0.65. Ratio of approximate 7 days and 28 days strength of cement concrete is 0.65. If the compression factor is 0.95, the workability of concrete is. Options: extremely low, low, high, very low. Answer: option C, high. If the compression factor is 0.95, the workability of concrete is. Answer: high. The final operation of finishing floors is known as. Options: finishing, floating, traveling, all the above. Answer: option C, traveling. The final operation of finishing floors is known as. Answer: traveling. Compaction of concrete is done to. Options: place concrete on flat surface, introduce air bubble, remove air bubble, place concrete on sloping surface. Answer: option C, remove air bubble. Compaction of concrete is done to remove air bubble. Tensile strength of concrete is found out using. Options: radial tensile test, gradual tensile stress, split tensile stress, CTM. Answer: option C, split tensile test. Tensile strength of concrete is found out by using split tensile test. To obtain a very high strength concrete, use very fine grained. Options: granite, magnetite, barite, volcanic scoria. Answer: option A, granite. To obtain a very high strength concrete, use very fine grained granite. If the slump of concrete mix is 60 mm, its workability. Options: very low, low, medium, high. Answer: option C, medium. If the slump of concrete mix is 60 mm, its workability is medium. Excess vibration during compaction of concrete can do. Options: high strength, bleeding, segregation, air bubble. Answer: option C, segregation. excess vibration during compaction of concrete can do? Answer, segregation. Retarders are used for options: construction of high-rise building, repair works, grouting deep oil wells, cold weather condition. Answer, option C, grouting deep oil wells. Retarders are used for answer grouting deep oil wells. How many components are mainly used to prepare concrete? Options 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer, option C, 4. The components are mainly used to preparation of a concrete is answer 4. Which of the following referred to the process accurate measurement of concrete ingredients for uniformity proportion? Options: mixing, grading, batching, curing. Answer, option C, batching. The process accurate measurement of concrete ingredient for uniformity proportion. Answer, batching. The result of VB test is expressed in the term of options: kilogram, meter, second, Newton per mm square. Answer, option C, second. The result of VB test is expressed in the term of answer seconds. Steam curing of concrete is adopted for options: beams, columns, precast structure, walls. Answer, option C, precast structure. Steam curing of concrete is adopted for answer precast structure. Dash are used to press the mortar and spread it uniformly. Options: traveling, aluminium rod, floats, brush. Answer, option C, floats. Floats are used to press the mortar and spread it uniformly. Bleeding is a good to an extent if it is occur when the concrete options: transported, mixed, plastic, placed. Answer, option C, plastic. Bleeding is good to an extent if it is occur when concrete is answer plastic. The common admixture used to accelerate initial setting of concrete is options: mixture of bitumen and inert material, gypsum, calcium chloride, byproduct of bitumen. Answer, option C, calcium chloride. The common admixtures used to accelerate initial setting of concrete is answer calcium chloride. സോ ഇത്രയാണ് കോൺക്രീറ്റ് ടെക്നോളജി റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ട് പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിന്റെ മോക്ക്. ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് നിങ്ങൾ ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടുതൽ ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രയോജനകരമായി എങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഷെയർ. താങ്ക് യു.